In this video, I'll show you how to add a cinematic frame transition between clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition uses an animated frame to reveal the next clip, making the scene change feel clean, cinematic, and stylish. It works great for short films, storytelling videos, product showcases, and creative edits. Let's get started. First, place your two video clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now go to the effects panel, search for frame. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Reveal mode controls how the frame reveals the incoming clip. Change it to try different reveal styles. Origin controls the center point of the frame animation. Adjust it to reposition where the reveal starts. Scale controls the overall size of the frame. Increase it for a larger frame. Decrease it for a smaller frame. Thickness controls the border thickness. Increase it for a bolder frame. Decrease it for a thinner, cleaner look. Roundness controls how rounded the corners are. Increase it for softer, rounded corners. Decrease it for sharper corners. Opacity controls the visibility of the frame. Increase it for a more visible frame. Decrease it for a subtle look. Glow intensity controls how strong the glow appears. Increase it for a brighter glow. Decrease it for a subtle highlight. Glow range controls how far the glow spreads. Increase it for a wider glow. Decrease it for a tighter glow. Motion blur controls how smooth the animation looks. Increase it for more cinematic blur. Decrease it for a sharper animation. Use a shorter duration for a quick stylish reveal. Use a longer duration for a smoother cinematic transition. For best results, use this effect on important moments like hero shots or product reveals, and that's it. That's how you create a cinematic frame transition between clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.